So simply starting with the website webpage-1.com, and it has a quick counter that I hardly ever look at, and then here it is. So first thing is you would do examples and then pull down something simple like the square and try to look before you run it that it's repeating 4 times. It's going to go forward 80 steps and a right turn 90. Though when I hit run, we get a simple square. It's not that exciting. It scrolls in and out. Could change to the next one and do a colored cube. Here's that same thing. It's going to repeat 4 times, but instead of saying a number, it's using a letter X. So it's going to repeat, it's going to move forward 190 times. But now it gives it a name, S. And then every time you type an S, you get a square. But set the color to red first, then do a square, then move up 90 degrees, and then set the color to gold, do another square. And so when we clear and run that, you see this, because it set the squares 4 times. Of course, you could change things by just goofing around and putting another S or another S, clear it, run it, and oh, it did the same thing because I didn't go forward. Anyway, if I do forward 20 and then do that, then you see how we're getting it off center there. But you can kind of goof around, and when you hit the help key, you have everything that we talked about there forward, and it tells you how much, and moving left, arc left gives you a semicircle, and blah, blah, blah. It looks like a lot, but when you go through the examples, and it doesn't have the word example, it has the last example you were on. Then if you go through and choose an example and just kind of glance, here's one we didn't talk about, mark, to mark the thing, but otherwise it's forward, right turn, left turn. It's giving a name here so that it can use the name 1, and every time you do a number 1, it does whatever this said, and that's a little more complicated, but we go through that and then clear and run, and you can see this one is done that way. And if I wanted to just go up here and change the width to like 6 or 4, I'll do it, clear and run. It's drastically different. If I go in and well, we'll leave it at that. And if I want to look for the helps, I can see, oh, I don't know where width is. I can start typing the word width, if I can spell it right. And it right away finds it, so you don't have to search up and down. Even though there's many commands, you don't need hardly any. Most of the examples and most of what you're going to see is got things that are just simply repeat, which is abbreviated RPT usually, forwards, down, up, that's what makes it 3D. And things like here, if I go in and do set color red, then when I run it, it's going to be red. Now I didn't clear, so I'm getting multiple things here. If I clear it and do run, I've got that. If I change the red to random color, RC, clear, run, we get it in random colors. And that's about it for the first one.